But okay, you guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing well. Look at that view, everyone. It's really windy out here, guys. We're gonna go on a little drive tonight, and it's been a while. It's been around 2 weeks. I've been a little busy with doing other stuff, but I'm back now, guys. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like the video, comment down below if you guys want to see something different, something new. Let's get into the highway here, hopefully. Let me open the window a little bit. It's cold outside, but still gotta get some good, it's cold and windy, but get a good pull right here. Alright guys, that's our mall right there. That's Danbury Mall. But anyways, you guys, I hope everyone is doing well. As you guys know, I have a gaming PC website where I sell pre-built gaming PCs. Those are built by me. If you guys are interested in a gaming PC, you guys can get in touch with me. Just comment down below or go straight to the website. The name of the website is Tektronix.com. Alright, you guys, what's going on? It's Michael here with Tektronix. If you guys are looking for a budget PC and are interested in video editing, content creating, gaming, stock trading, and all of that, we have our page and we do all kinds of builds. So if you're on a budget and you're looking for a great PC that performs well at a good price, you guys can check us out at Tektronix.com. And don't miss the opportunity to get 10% off of your purchase. So if you guys use the code RTFLV at checkout, you can take advantage of that today. And if you guys are looking for a custom build, you guys can get in touch with us. If you guys click on the contact us page on our website, Tektronix.com, you guys can reach out to us and we'll get back to you as soon as we get the message. So thank you guys. If you guys are looking for a gaming PC that can do everything, just head on over there. Right now I'm running a 10% discount. I ran it through the Black Friday and all of that stuff, but I'm still going to keep it there for you guys. For those of you who are interested in whether it's, I don't know, doing what I'm doing, content creating and video editing and all that stuff. If you guys like to do that stuff, I have PCs that are specifically built for that. So I want to thank everyone for the support that I've been getting, and the views I've been getting and everything, and the new subscribers. Thank you guys for everything. What's going on with this guy? Alright, so for today's video, we're just gonna go for a chill drive, you guys. I'm not gonna go too crazy tonight because I need to take care of some things with the car. When it comes to the engine, I have to fix the timing chain covers. They're leaking a little bit, but I just want to put a video out there for you guys so you guys can watch. And yeah, I enjoy doing this. I am learning a lot about making YouTube videos and creating content. Nice little spot, but there are no coffee shops here. It looks like take a picture for the gram. Taking that pic for the gram. Taking that picture for the gram, you guys. But, gonna go over there. Let's get back into it. All right, guys, let's go get that coffee. Yeah, can I get a... All right, guys, so I got my coffee. Let's get on the road. I guess I'm gonna have to put a camera with the wider angle right here so you guys can see me driving all the time. But hey guys, how's it going? This is me. This is Mikey B. See if it doesn't fall off. Okay, that's not bad. Alright, let's see if he wants to race. It's the Chrysler 300, something like that. He probably don't want to race, but anyways, let's get back into it. I think she's recording me. Alright, that was a nice pull. One thing that I want to tell you guys is right now I'm working on getting sponsorships. I don't know like that I will get any sponsorships because I don't have that many subscribers. I only have like 42 subscribers. But I learned that you could partner up with some people and find ways to do sponsorships, you know. And so hopefully this sponsorship that I'm trying to work on goes through, and you guys will see something new happening with this car specifically. Maybe new parts, maybe, I don't know, a tune, maybe something like that. I don't know, maybe. But stay tuned. Just continue watching. Continue liking the videos because there's more coming for this car, like I said, you guys. And I also want to tell you guys that everything that I'm doing is like super organic. I'm not like paying anything or paying anybody to get views. This is goes to show that, you know, if you guys really want to do this YouTube stuff, you can do it. It just takes time and dedication, and it takes the willpower, you know, to do this. So if you guys are looking to start recording content, I suggest you start doing it. Just do it, man. Just start recording and just talk about whatever. If it's, whether it's on TikTok or YouTube or any other platform like Instagram, just start doing it because people will be watching. Whatever your passion is, just do it. And for me, I'm just doing this POV drives for now, but in the future I want to produce high quality videos, you know. Yeah, buddy. Woo, that coffee's good when it's cold outside. All right, you guys, one thing I wanted to ask you is, should I do the Christmas lights on this car? I know everyone is doing it online. Everyone is putting Christmas lights on their cars, but it would be cool. So yeah, guys, this is where I'm going to leave the video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching, for the support and everything. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, you guys, because there's more coming for this car, like I said. And yeah, peace out and God bless you guys.